Hey, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to turn it up today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make $1 million ravioli casserole. Man, I'm telling you, this thing fire. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go ahead and name our ingredients. Back here, we're gonna start out with our frozen ravioli, and this is cheese ravioli. Now, if you wanna use anything other than cheese stuffed ravioli, it's totally up to you. Right here, we have our Italian sausage. I'm using mild Italian sausage. We have pizza sauce here, some freshly chopped parsley, cottage cheese, cream cheese, some freshly grated mozzarella from the deli, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, sour cream, and garlic powder. This is all you're gonna need, guys. So let's jump into it. All right, we're gonna start off by heating up our cooktop, and over a medium heat, we're gonna start cooking our sausage. All right, so it looks like our sausage is ready. So we're going to turn off our heat. We're going to remove our skillet, drain the fat, and we're going to come back. After you drain the grease from your sausage, you're just going to add your meat sauce in here like that. You're going to get it mixed in like this. All right, once it's fully mixed, we're going to sit this aside and head over to our cutting board. So in this step, you're going to take a large bowl. You're gonna add your cottage cheese, your softened cream cheese. Make sure your cream cheese is out for room temperature. It needs to be soft for this particular step. Our sour cream, Parmesan cheese, parsley, and some garlic powder. And we're just gonna get this mixed in to combine it really, really well. All right, this looks good. Now what you want to do is you want to add your cheese ravioli. And you want to mix this to combine it really well. It may take you a few minutes to get it mixed like you want it. Make sure that that cream cheese mixture is coating all of your ravioli, just like this. All right, so it looks like we have got this baby all mixed up and our cream cheese mixture coated in ravioli, or the ravioli coated in our cream cheese mixture. We're gonna move this aside, bring over a greased baking dish. So next, you're gonna take your ravioli mixture and you're gonna spread it evenly at the bottom of your pan. Make sure you grease that baby too. That baby needs to be greased. So we got it in here. We're gonna get this spread it out evenly. Just like that. Now we're gonna take our sausage mixture and we're gonna pour it here over the top. Same thing, evenly. And guys, you wanna go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Lastly, you're gonna top this with your mozzarella cheese. Man, that's looking good. I'm gonna dash this with a little Italian seasoning on the top like that. We're gonna stick this in the oven for 45 minutes, uncovered, and allow it to bake and that cheese to melt, all right? So let's get it in the oven. So now it's been 45 minutes. We're gonna let this sit here for about 10 to 15 minutes, let those flavors come together, let it cool down just slightly, and then we're gonna come right back. There you have it, $1 million ravioli casserole. Leave in the comment section below what you think about this recipe. We're gonna jump into quality control and do our quick taste test, all right? Man, this thing looking good. What's up, guys? It's quality control time. Y'all already know what the business is. Look at that ravioli right there. Man, I see why they call it $1 million, son. Let's go ahead and get into it, not waste no time. Now, I gotta get another bite before I say anything. This is what I'm talking about right here, baby. Guys, straight fire. Oh man. Add this on your things to cook list. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it, guys. Man, I'm talking about cheesy, ravioli, sausagey. Man, I'm telling you, this baby is off the chain. Man, let me get out of here. I'm gonna finish this whole thing right here. So, guys, until then, you already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.